Hello everyone and welcome to This Is In My Garage. Today I will do a quick guide on how to install a push start on your Crown Victoria. It's probably going to vary between the years, but I'll tell you how I came up with the wire diagram from the internet. Alright, so it's a mess, but you know how it is when you're working on something. It's always going to be a mess. All right, so the wires, you will find your wires right here on your steering column for your push start kit. You will be removing this, but I removed it. I didn't do no test wiring or anything like that. I actually went to the internet and pulled up a diagram for the 1998 to 2002 Crown Victoria. It gave a clear description on what the wires were and what the operations were. All right, so the push start kit is called Easy Guard EC004. You could get that kit from Amazon for less than 25 bucks, maybe cheaper now, but 25 bucks the most. Anyway, the brown and pink wire from the Crown Vic is your ignition 1 wire. Your ignition 2 is pink and black. Constant 12 volt is yellow. Your starter is pink and white. Your accessory wires are black with green stripe, gray and yellow stripe, and then there's another gray and yellow stripe that you have to attach. All right, directions on your wire diagram. White is ignition, brown is ignition, red of course is hot, blue is your accessory wire, and yellow is for your starter. All right, this light green wire, this green wire here goes to your brake switch. So when you step on the pedal, your brake lights kick in. It's supposed to automatically send a signal to your unit, your push start unit, so your car could turn over. As far as install, I went ahead and installed mine right here. I removed my key lock and I installed the push start here. There is a ring sensor for your key. Your keys are these blue tabs. When you place the key in the ring, the sensor gives you 2 beeps. So the unit recognizes the fact that you're in the car. Okay? Now, you could push once, the radio, fan, all that comes on. That's your accessory. And to turn it off, just push once. And then while you're leaving the car, you could do one of 2 things. You could just leave. It will automatically deactivate the starter unit, or you could go ahead and hit your key on the sensor. It's that easy. If you go to Amazon and type in Easy Guard EC004, this is the kit I got for my Crown Vic. Quick demonstration one more time. You open your car door, you activate the key, well, there you have it, guys. From 98 to 2002, Crown Victoria, now you can have push start with EasyGuard. Go to Amazon, type in EasyGuard EC004 and get your push start kit for your Crown Vic. With that being said, thank you for watching. This is my garage. Peace.